Hello, welcome to another tips and tricks tutorial on this channel. Do you want to learn how to place a text behind an object in your video just like the one you're watching right now? Then stay with me, I'll show you how.
Hey, welcome to VC Creator Secret Tutorials. Before we get started, if you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I publish new tutorials every week. For more unique, awesome videos like this, check the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started.
Here is the text behind the object effects in Filmora. Alright, let's get started. I have a couple of clips here. So in this video, you're going to learn how to place text behind an object in video, just like this. So get a couple of clips and let's get started. Let's drag down our first video to the timeline and drag down the same video to the third track on the timeline. Leave the second track empty. We're going to place text there later. Hide the video on the first track by clicking this eye icon. Then let's click on the second video and click on green screen 2. Then click on picker 2. Then go to the screen and click on where there's much same color. Then come to the control window, make the offset 100% and the tolerance about 50, 51 or 53. Now let's go to title and drag down the text. Double click on the text and you can write whatever you want. You can change the font, change the color if you like, and also the preset and the size. I'm going to write VCCS tutorials. Drag and position it in the right place. Expand the text to cover the video. Then go back and click show the first video by clicking this icon, and this is what we have: text behind an object. Let's preview it and see what we have. Alright, let's apply the same effect to another video. Let's drag down the video to the timeline and repeat the same thing. Drag down the same video and drop it on the third track on the timeline. Click on this icon to hide the first video. Then click on green screen 2. Click on eyedropper 2 and click on the screen where the color is much. Click on the screen. Now make the offsets 100% and the tolerance about 53, 1 or 2. Click OK. And now let's add text to the second track on the timeline. Drag and drop a plain text, expand it to the length of the video. Double click on it and make some changes to it. You can write whatever you want. You can change the preset, the color and the size. I'm going to write behind the text and make sure you position it behind your object, expand it and make it large. Let's show the video on the first track and preview it. Let's see what we have. If you're not satisfied, you can go and make some changes. I'm gonna make the text bigger. So click on the text and expand it and position it. Double click on the text and change the fonts, then position it in the middle. When all is done, we can unlock it and pre-render it, and let's preview it and see our final product. So click on it. This is our final product. Alright guys, this bring us to the end of the video. Hope you find it valuable. If you do, don't forget to share it with your friends, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to click the bell, the notification bell, for more tricks and tips, awesome tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
This video and find it valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so I can keep making them. For more awesome and unique videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check out my other videos on this channel as well.
And don't forget to leave a comment below. I love it. Be sure to watch the videos on the screen that we handpicked for you.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.